Hey guys, Happy New Year and welcome back to my CCNA 200-301 course. In this video, we are going to review different IP version for messages. Are you ready? Let's get started. Basically, we got three types of IP version for messages: unicast messages, multicast messages, and broadcast messages. Unicast messages are one-to-one messages. So this means one host sends a packet or stream of packets to a specific destination. For example, one computer with IP address of 192.168.1.1 sends something to 192.168.1.2. Obviously, for unicast messages, we need to use unique IP version for addresses that we have been assigned to our hosts. Multicast messages are messages that sends from a single host but to the destination of multiple hosts, but not all hosts. If you remember that when I was talking about different IP version for IP addresses and classes, I said if our first octet starts with 224 to 239, that address would be a multicast address. And we use these multicast addresses to send a message to multiple hosts. You'll be seeing these addresses when we will be talking about routing protocols in future videos. Finally, broadcast messages are messages that are sent to everyone. But there is a definition for this everyone as well. If you remember that when I was talking about IP version for basics and subnetting, I said you can't use two specific IP addresses per subnet. One of them was the IP address which has got all ones in the host ID part. And that address is reserved for broadcast messages. So whenever we want to send a message to everyone in our IP version for subnet, we put that specific IP address in our destination IP address field. So everyone who is in my subnet can hear my message. There is one more specific broadcast address as well. And that address is 255, 255, 255, 255. If you put this address in the destination address of an IP version for packet, that message will go to everyone in your local network, no matter what subnet they are. But they cannot go beyond the routers, just in your local network. When we use them, for example, when computers do not have IP address and they want to find out who is the DHCP server in this network, they use that specific IP address. I'll show you this in next videos when we will be talking about DHCP configuration. Alright guys, this was our today's video. Too easy. And if you liked it, please do not forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and put your comments down below. See you later.